Hey everyone, Dr. Bell here again with Dr. Bell Health, and today we are going to look at another Solaray supplement. It's called calcium, magnesium, zinc. You got it? It has calcium in it, magnesium in it, and zinc. All right, so first up, we're going to talk about calcium. This is the cornerstone of bone and teeth health, and Solaray's product has 1,000 milligrams in each serving. This supplement ensures that your bones and teeth will get the support they need to stay strong and resilient. But calcium's role isn't just structural, it's also crucial for muscle function and nerve signaling, ensuring that your body communicates effectively within itself. All right. Next on this is magnesium, which is a super important mineral. It's one of the things I take every day. There's 500 milligrams in each serving, and magnesium is the unsung hero of muscle relaxation and nerve function. It actually plays a key role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. This includes energy production, protein synthesis, and if you're looking for a way to combat fatigue and enhance your muscular health, magnesium is your go-to mineral. And again, these minerals are things we cannot make in our body. We have to get them from some other source, whether it's food, whether it's a supplement. Before we talk a little bit more about zinc, which is awesome, I want to stress that this is for educational purposes only. Please talk to your doctor before you take any vitamins or supplements. This is not medical advice, and everything we review on our channel can be purchased at a steep discount through our full script store at drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Better prices in Amazon than at the Solaray website. Free shipping, free returns, doesn't cost you anything to join and look around. Your favorite brands are there: Metagenics, Thorne, Microbiome Labs, Pure Encapsulations, Biotics Research, Designs for Health. Everything doctors recommend are there, and they get that discount too. All right, now let's talk about zinc. Solaray supplement has 25 milligrams of zinc in it, and zinc is a key player in your immune function and metabolic processes. It's crucial for wound healing, DNA synthesis, and cell division. And a lot of people are zinc deficient, especially if you stop eating meat. You will be zinc deficient. So it's like the commander of your body's repair and defense system, and ensures that you stay resilient against invaders and your cells regenerate as they should. And then Solaray just also has an awesome commitment to the planet. They put their stuff in recycled bottles. They test it like crazy, so you know you're going to get something that's pure, that's clean. They're just a great company. All right. So if you need calcium, magnesium, and zinc, which who doesn't, Solaray can bolster your health. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet is key, and when you need extra boost, Solaray's Cal, Mag, and Zinc is here to help you on your journey. Don't forget, you can purchase it and other Solaray products at a steep discount through my full script store at drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Free shipping, free returns. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Dr. Bell, and I hope you have a great day.